The power of three with the doubling theory. Ha ha. And you all thought I was gatekeeping this shit. No, no, no. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the connection for you. Right now, this is the very base of my understanding of price. Okay. And my bias prediction, every single thing, this is the base. Right. And of course, it's more complicated than what I'm about to show you, because I go into it in great detail in the one-on-one mentorship. So I have one more spot available for the November enrollment. So you can go ahead and sign up for that. Or if you want to take part in the December enrollment for the one-on-ones, you can definitely sign up for that as well. So again, remember, only 2 people. I'm not taking any more than that. Okay. So here it is, right? I'm going to dispel all of the myths that you see online, because as you all know, I'm the guy that engineered the application of doubling theory for now what? It's almost 1 year now. Okay. Or maybe 1.5 years. I don't know. All right. Now watch carefully, listen carefully. I'm about to change your fucking trading career. Now, ICT elements to a trade setup, my way. Okay. So we're looking at it consolidation, which is an accumulation fractal. Now I put a post on Instagram putting the same thing, and then some guys are saying, no, this is not a consolidation. This is not an accumulation fractal. You don't know what you're talking about. Buddy, I've been in this for 5 to 6 years. I know what a damn consolidation is. Okay. Then that is followed by an expansion. Now that is a manipulation fractal. Okay. And after that, we have a reversal or retracement, or a retracement followed by a reversal, which tends to be a market maker model if you follow ICT, in a very strict manner. All right. So based on this, we can see that there are 3 main phases in price: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, right? So when you have 3 main phases in price, that does not indicate anything about the delivery of price. Okay. The delivery of price is not, it essentially does not follow what I'm showing you. Okay. The delivery of price, the bias prediction, the swing projection, the prediction or anticipation of a high or low of the day, all that stuff, I'm not going to teach you. It's only found in the one-on-ones, right? But this, if you have an existing system and you're finding it hard to be consistent, you can go ahead and use this. Now, if you want to go even further and you want to be the best of the best, you can definitely enroll for the one-on-ones. Okay. Now you understand that distribution models, they involve a variant of ICT's market maker model, right? So due to the fact that it consists of both a first stage of distribution and a second stage of distribution, more often than not. Okay. Now, when you bring in my self-engineered application of the doubling theory, I know so many of you are going to get pissed by that, but I don't care. So number 1, the doubling theory has 2 proportions. Okay, the smaller is 1/3 and the larger is 2/3. Okay, so the smaller influences the larger in terms of direction and the phases of the market, right? So if you divide the day into 3 parts, from 6 p.m. EST to 6 p.m. EST, you will get divisions that you can label as accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Now, this is true for commodities and forex. For indices, for NASDAQ, it's something else. Okay. AMD will not always be in order. Depending on what price is doing, it can form a manipulation, distribution, accumulation, or a distribution, accumulation, manipulation for that day. Okay, so there are 3 variants. Looking at this, this is today is what? Today is the, let me see, today is Saturday, 28th of October. So Friday, 27th of October, this is a long that I took on gold. Okay, I took a gold long over here, had some drawdown, and I went up perfectly to take profit. It's in my group, my mentorship, right? So you can see here's an accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Can you see it? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So when you bring in ICT's elements to a trade setup, my way, we have a consolidation, expansion, reversal. What can you expect on Monday? You can expect you to retrace a bit. Okay. That's one example. Next, what can you see over here? We can see we have a manipulation Now, how do I know this is a manipulation or a consolidation? That's outside of the scope of YouTube. Okay, I'm giving you as much as I can. So this is a manipulation, and then it's a distribution. Then there's an accumulation. Now, for us to understand this accumulation needs to happen inside of a defined range. So that means you can expect price to go inside a bit and then form some chart patterns and then raid those chart patterns and then go back down, as you can see, right? So when you now again, when you relate the elements to a trade setup, we have expansion, reversal, retracement. How easy is that? And look, we have consolidation, expansion, reversal, retracement, right? After that, price resets to what? Consolidation, as expected, right? Okay, next one. What do you have here? Accumulation. You have both manipulation and distribution in one phase. Now what? You got accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and then what is price doing? It forms the high of the day, goes down, and then does what? It stops. What's this? Accumulation, right? So when can you expect these type of things to happen? When you have a high impact news driver. Okay. Accumulation, it forms the high of the day and starts to stay inside of the trading range. Here, look, high, low. What happens here? Up, change of state, 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 change of state. What is this? A high liquidity dealing range. So now look, if this is accumulation, then next is manipulation as seen by this. After manipulation is what? Distribution. How easy is that? How easy is that? Right? Super easy, right? So now when you consider what I'm giving you guys in the one-on-ones, you are done. You are going really, really, really deep into every single swing point. Every single swing point. You can catch these moves here, this one. You can even catch this one. You can catch this sell over here. You can catch this one. You can catch buy that. Everything is possible with me. Okay. This is gold again. Let's take a look. We have manipulation means expansion. Okay, so price is expanding. After expanding, what will price do? Distribute. Distribute meaning reversal. Look at the reversal. After reversal, what's the phase? Retracement. Now look, manipulation, distribution. After distribution, accumulation. What will accumulation do? It will work inside of an existing dealing range. High, low, price is working inside of it. After accumulation, what will price do? Consolidate. Look at the consolidation. Ew. Then look, consolidation, manipulation, and then poof, down. And look, this example, rather the consolidation you're seeing, you can see it in the previous slide. See here, that's the manipulation. When you extend the previous cycle forward, that's the manipulation, and that's the distribution. You see how everything flows seamlessly, and then that distribution will then lead to what? Accumulation. So here, everything is perfect. Everything is in synchronization. Okay, it is synchronized. Now, when you consider this NASDAQ, okay, NASDAQ special case. NASDAQ, the true opening for NASDAQ is after 4:30 a.m. EST. Yeah, 4:30 a.m. EST is the extended trading hours or regular trading hours. No, extended trading hours, ETH, right? You have that 4:30 opening somewhere here. Okay, so you're considering only from this phase onwards. Okay, now if you want, what you can do is you can divide the day into 3 from 4:30 if you want. Okay, if you want to make it a bit more clear for you. But using what we have, look at this. We have manipulation, it means expansion. After expansion is done, what will price do? It will reverse and retrace. How simple is that? Cool, right? Next, and I believe this is the final example. What do you have? You have manipulation, means expansion. After expansion, what? Distribution, reversal. Did we get any retracement here? No. So where will the retracement go? Next day. Boom. Do you see? Do you see? Good. All right. So if you found this insightful, I'll see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading. And if you want to enroll for the November one-on-one and one-on-one mentorship program, which is 6 months long, guarantee that you'll get funded, all of that good stuff. If you are an inconsistent trader, my mentorship is where you need to be. And I'm giving plenty of gems out here on my YouTube. The reason I'm not posting as much is because I want you to take your time in watching my YouTube videos, because it's going over a lot of your heads. I mean, look at my views. My views actually have actually gone down, right? Because you guys are going and looking at all this bullshit that you're seeing online based on their clickbait. Oh, 80% strategy here. Oh, 90% strategy here. Use this fair value gap for this. No, 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 no. I've been in this game for 6 years, actually 5 years, or 5 years or 6 years. I have seen all the possible variations and I have dumbed it down. I have watered it down. I have narrowed down everything that you possibly need. And it's here on my YouTube. All right. So I'll see you in the next one. If you take successful trades, if you take bad trades, I want to hear your feedback. You can send me a message on Telegram. I'll be there to help you as long as it's within the scope of my YouTube channel. Good luck and good trading. Bye-bye.